Gators. This is 11-4 spheres, day 2. I can calculate the volume of a sphere and solve problems involving the volumes of spheres. Today we're going to take a look at the surface area of a sphere, how much surface area there is. And let's take a look at a baseball. And if you take the skin off of a baseball, it looks like this. This is the leather covering. And this leather covering kind of suggests the formula for the surface area. It's really 1, 2, 3, 4 areas of a circle. So the surface area of a sphere is surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. There's 4 circles that the area will cover the whole sphere. All right, let's go ahead and practice this. We are finding the surface area, not the volume. So surface area, let's call it SA for surface area. That will equal 4 pi r squared. And in our problem, we have an 8 for our radius. So that's going to be 64 times 4. And that will be 256 pi. This will be an exact answer right here. The directions say to do some rounding, so I'm going to take 256, use my pi button, and that is approximately 804.2. Oh, it says to the nearest whole number, so let me go ahead and erase the 0.2. And that answer will be inches cubed. Let's take a look at the next surface area. Surface area again is different from volume. It's 4 pi r squared, and our radius will be 5. So this will be 4 pi 5 squared. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 4 is 100. 100 pi would be the exact answer. Now this is square centimeters. Oops, let me go ahead and oops, let's see, we need a there square, and if I round, that's 100 times pi. That would be rounded to the nearest whole number, 314. Let me back up and make sure I labeled the other one correctly. I did not. Okay, so I need to erase that and erase this, and these are square inches, not cubic inches, but square inches. Okay, let's go back here. All right, we want to now do 2 things so that you can see the difference. Find the surface area and find the volume. Okay, surface area will be equal to 4 pi r squared. This will be 4 pi, and this will be 4 squared. That's 16. 16 times 4 is 64 pi. And this will be feet squared. Remember, we're talking area. Volume will be equal to 4/3 pi r cubed. And this is 4/3 pi. And then we're going to have a 4 to the 3rd power. So 3 4s here and another 4 here. So there's going to be 4 to the 4th power, which is 256 pi over 3, and this will be feet cubed. And let's take a look at the difference. 1 is in cubic and 1 is in square. Okay, let's do it again. Surface area is equal to 4 pi r squared. And if the whole diameter is 22, then the radius is 11. So this is 4 pi 11 squared. So let's find 11 squared. And then times it by 4. And that'll be 484 pi yards squared. Again, we're talking area. Volume will be 4/3 pi r cubed. So this is 4/3 pi, and this will be 11 times 11 times 11. That's what r cubed means. 11 to the 3rd power. And then times it by 4. So that's going to be equal to 5,324 pi over 3, and this will be yards cubed. Again, look at the difference between area and volume. And that's the end of the screencast.